Similan Islands are a true paradise. In this video, I'm gonna show you the experience of the full day boat tour. The pier is located 1 hour and 30 minutes away from Phuket. After you register, you will be given a breakfast and a small induction of the boat tour. So excited! The boat will take 1 hour and 30 minutes to reach Similan Islands. Once you reach, you will be blown away by the color of the water, which is so blue. So the first stop is purely snorkeling. The visibility is really unbelievable. Second stop is also purely snorkeling. Let's say, guys, that it's super busy, today. But let's see what's underwater. This is the biggest turtle I have ever seen. And it was a very curious one. And then, on the main island of Similan, we stopped for lunch. And look who interrupted us, a monitor lizard. Hi guys, so my impression of Similan Islands. The water is beautiful. First thing first. The sand is like powdery, it's amazing. I think I was... And another lizard interrupted me. So we had the first stop on this beautiful island. It is, the water is unbelievable, honestly. The best color I have seen so far in Thailand. Better than Koh Tao, it's crystal clear, amazing. Then the second stop, we went also snorkeling on the main island when you have the viewpoint, and the water is amazing. Also, we saw huge turtle. It gets crowded. This is the issue in Thailand, I feel, with some destinations. Is like you have really a crowd. You have like I don't know how many boats. When I booked actually the trip to Similan Island, the tourist, the desk was, the girl at the desk was telling me that it's only allowed for like 300 people a day. I'm not sure if they have only 300 people today, maybe more, but it doesn't really remove from the experience. Like, the water is amazing, the landscape is amazing, the turtles are huge and you can spot them easily. And now we just finished the lunch and I'm gonna go to the viewpoint and I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's been 5 minutes and I'm out of breath already. These are the steps. It's not easy. I think I'm there. I'm there. The view is insane. But if you have vertigo, don't come here. I'm already done with the viewpoint and I have to run to the boat because I have to be there already. It's too short, 1 hour on this island, to be honest. So here you always have to be careful with your head on this train because I hit my head more than once. I'm so happy, guys, I came on these islands. It's so beautiful. I think it's the most beautiful islands in Thailand. Yes, they are a bit crowded, but it doesn't remove the fact that the water is the best I have seen in Thailand. The turtles here are huge, as you can see in the video, and we had a nice lunch, honestly, and we got interrupted by a monitor lizard. What else can you get?
For the last stop, we went to an island which is home to the King of Thailand's vacation home.
So we are stopping 1.5 hours on this island, so I'm gonna take some rest and enjoy the water. I'm gonna repeat myself, but the blue of the water is so vivid here, it's crazy. So I guess that's it. I'm gonna relax a bit, guys, and I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful water and beautiful scenery before heading back to Phuket. I was wondering if I should put Similan Island on my bucket list. Well, I did, and I don't regret it. And I hope that you're gonna like this video and that's gonna make you wanna come to this island. So It's closed during some month in the year, I'm not sure when, so before you come, check it out online. And safe trip. I hope you like this video and hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.
And don't forget to subscribe.